pulling it out, and so now I'm gonna start doing the tail lights, getting the tail lights disconnected, and to get the wiring harness. I'm gonna have to lift this up. I'll probably do it with the tractor here to kind of feed the wiring out from underneath, and then it's going to come out right here. So we're going to be as gentle as possible. Jillian's on her way, so that way I can remove the harness as a whole and transport it lightly over to the new one. So that's the plan for today. I want to apologize for being kind of out of the loop for a little while, and the wind is it's windy today, but I've been on the road with my job a lot. I needed this out of the shop for one, because it's just awfully inconvenient where I've got my miter saw set up over there. I have to go through this door that's half a door. Another thing I need to fix, but it was just in the way. It's just easier to go through here, or I'd like to bring it out here in the work area to finish the siding. I'm gonna go up to the edge. Yeah, I haven't made any progress on that either, but that's what we've got going on today. So thanks for watching, and we'll continue this. And when Jillian gets here, I'll have her hold the camera, but for now I'm going to go ahead and just start removing stuff. I mean, that's when it becomes handy.
What's the other one look like? Does it look good?
Which one? Oh yeah. That one overall is way better. Alright, definitely keeping this stuff in case you want a hard top again.
It might be nice to just have one available. Complete it.
outside, black on the inside. And it just broke. That's what happens when, oh look, they even have it color coded.
There you go.
So you can't
Don't have to
miss
remember.
out on it. Yeah, that's cool that they did that. All right. Windshield wiper for the rear and tail lights harness. Not sure the actual term for it, but difference. So the first black one here is to the rear harness. The second black one is to the front harness. Although they're totally different when you look at the pins. So look at the size difference between this black one and that black one. So they're definitely not going to fit if you get them mixed up.
Probably by design.
See, this is still somewhat when they made it so that the regular man could work on cars. This box what it is, but it's made in China. It's in like some sort of icky goo. Basically the engine compartment harness with the CPU. You got AC compressor, so this goes to everything on passenger side. Fuel injectors that connect to all the fuel injectors, and then everything on the driver's side.
Okay, so what are you gonna do?
Huh?
What are you gonna do?
Put it on.
I know, but you have to make holes. You're not gonna make holes.
They're self-drilling.
But there wasn't one on this one, so you have to attach this one, right?
Yeah. But they're self-drilling.
Yeah.
There we are. See? wasn't in the way. Dang it.
Anything I can do to help?
No.
I have one free hand at the moment.
I need to get the steering wheel out of the way.
I didn't even see it sitting there.
What, your steering wheel?
Yeah, that's funny.
Ah, now I'm all greasy.
You can wipe it on my black pants.
There we go. It is in. Sweet. And then one more. Oh, it's broke. That sucks. It's supposed to go right there. It's supposed to be like a, see how this one, see, it's missing it right there. This tub's still in way better condition, though.
So what do we have to do for that?
Nothing, nothing we can do. I might be able to do like a pilot hole and put like a, I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it. It's not a big deal.
At least it's that one and not a middle one.
Yeah. Because once these get all set up into place, it's gonna keep up anyways. So, worst comes to worst, I'll just drill a hole in there, put a zip tie or whatever.
Look at my dash.
Yeah.
Little tiny little speakers.
All right, we got one more harness to do. All good here. Where did other socket go? Leave it over here.